Okay, come on. What's that face? You can walk. Come on. This is going to be like your first steps on camera. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Just take a step. He's been standing there for at least 2 minutes because he won't walk. Come on. You can do it. Take a step. It's okay. It doesn't hurt. We moved your ankle. It doesn't hurt. I promise. I promise. It'd be okay. Walk to mommy. I have a cookie. Do you want a cookie? Come here and I'll get you a cookie. It's such a nasty face. Here, I'll come closer. Come here. Xander, come on. Walk to mama. You gonna walk to me? Then come here. You good nasty face on. Come on. Just take one step. Oh, there you go. You almost had it. Do it. You got it. You can do it. Just pick your foot up. Pick your foot up. You can do it. I know. It's so hard. Where's Alec? The peekaboo. Come on, monkey. Peekaboo. 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 Come on, you can do it, eh? Can you walk to mommy? Take a deep breath. Okay, ready? Yes. You better go see what's in there. You better go see. There's a kitty in there. Do you see the kitty? Look, it's the kitty. Come here. Oh! Who's in here? You better come see who's here. Come here. Come here. Yep, I'm not moving. Now I've been standing here for 10 minutes. Can you shake your booty? Booty shake. Spank the booty. Booty shake. Booty shake. Booty shake. Get down. Get down and booty shake. You can do it. See? Now just walk.